Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Hotpoint washing machine. Let's see what model it is. If it would open up. Oh dear, NSWM. It's an NSWM 743UW UK. That's a long old mouthful. Let's have a look at how to do the lint filter. Down here below, there should be a fascia across the front here, and if there was, you'd pop it downwards with a screwdriver to reveal this plug here. This is your filter. You can use your hand, hopefully it'll just open and not be full. Yeah, it's quite loose, that one. But if you haven't got grip on it, just put a pliers in there like that, the handle of it, not the other end. The other end will damage it. Let's see, is there anything in here? No, it's actually spotlessly clean. Right, and inside there's an impeller blade, and if that's blocked or if there's stuff stuck in it, you need to pull it out until it's just plastic. Tighten it up, kind of as far as it'll go. It won't go any further, and then snap the front back on. Bob's your uncle. You've got your machine sorted out. If it wasn't pumping out, if it wasn't draining out, or if you heard weird rumbling noises coming from below, this will fix you up. Questions or comments, leave them below. Become a member of the channel, subscribe and like please if you wouldn't mind. Thanks for watching. See you later.